how to remove a domain added in cpanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Now look for the Domains section. Click on Domains under the Main Domains area. On this page, you can find every domain connected to your hosting. Next, find the domain you want to remove. In this video, I will be removing the Cosmo domain. Click the Manage button next to the domain you want to remove. This will open the domain settings page, and click on the Remove Domain button. Click Confirm to remove the domain. All files and data related to this domain will be deleted permanently. And that's it. The domain has now been permanently removed for a cpanel account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel